Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today we're comparing the iPhone 11 Pro Max camera to my iPhone XS Max camera. And real quick, I'm just going to show you what comes in the box and my favorite case here. Link is below if you want to check it out. It's amazing for watching things. So it's slightly larger and heavier than the XS Max, but it is beautiful and it gets way better battery life. So the main thing I want to compare is the new camera hardware and also the new software optimization. So on the left is going to be my XS Max, and on the right the 11 Pro Max. So first, I just took a few photos and they look pretty similar in the beginning, but then once you start taking more detailed shots, you'll see here, like in the flowers, I used the 2x lens here, and if you zoom in you can see that a lot of the detail is lost in the XS Max, and that was one of my biggest issues with it, was that the photos were not as sharp as on the 10. So it's good to see that the sharpness and the detail is kept now without losing it to over-processing. So here in a lower light shot, there's also more detail in the 11 Pro Max on the right. In a night shot, this was a very, very dark bathroom, and just look at how much light it preserves using night mode. How much more detail is in every shot in the indoor shots. So overall, it does a much better job, and I can't wait to try it in outdoor photography, car photography, and these sorts of things. So if you look here in this shot, and you zoom in, the details are much more preserved in the 11 Pro Max. So definitely a much better job. Look at the lighting differences, how much more you can kind of capture with the 11 Pro Max, how much sharper. It just carries through. This one was kind of interesting because it tried to do night mode on a screen, which didn't work too well. But overall, I love it so far.